So Chetan, hi, how are you?
Good, Tanya, how are you?
Excellent, excellent. So much has been happening in the last 5 weeks, to be precise, right? What is your take on it? What do you think? What direction are we headed? Because everybody asks me the same thing, and both of us being in the same field, I want to really know what your views are on the last month that's gone by.
Last 4 weeks or 5 weeks were very, very confusing.
Yeah.
With the geopolitics things happening, a lot of anxiety between UAE property investors, worldwide business owners.
Yeah.
They don't know which direction the business is moving. Because of that, there were three fears generated. One was obviously the fear of we could be part of the war, there could be some casualties. Second fear was on they don't know what to happen.
Yeah.
Fear of unknown was creating maximum anxiety. Third fear was just fear of business.
Yeah.
People were not sure when the business will open, till how long they have to use their savings, and all of these things combined create a lot of panic. So a lot of people were challenging everything from, are we in the right place? Should we relocate somewhere else?
Yeah.
Are we in the right field? Should we diversify into some other businesses? But eventually, they all realized that all these fears were not the right decision. This was the time to have faith with the leadership, have faith with your value system, and not challenge everything, not audit everything, but just keep a positive mindset.
Because we've been in Dubai for pretty much the same time, and we've seen the ups and downs of Dubai, and how resilient they've been in quite a few situations, right? Right from COVID times or even pre-COVID, the thunderstorms, and now we've got this. So people do have a sense of ability that Dubai will bounce back. What do you say on that?
Not even 1% of me personally or the team were confused that whether this will bounce back or not, whether leadership will take action to revive Dubai as a brand. Real estate is one of the biggest industries. So obviously we want Dubai to be okay first. And then obviously the trust, the comfort of investor will follow.
Yeah.
Not even 1% we had a doubt that this will not recover
and
fast.
Offices were open. We were all at work from, I think the first week was a bit, because there was no clarity on what's happening. But I think week 2 onwards, all of us were back at work.
We've also been in the industry for long. So now we know, we have seen so many other crises in the past. One thing was very clear, we treat every crisis as an opportunity.
Yeah.
It's just how you think.
Yeah.
Some people are looking into the problems. I was very clear. I was asking everyone, where is the opportunity?
Yeah.
Where is the opportunity?
Yeah.
And that's what happened. We saw opportunities in distressed properties, and it's been wonderful promoting these distressed properties.
Yeah, and with regards to these opportunities, because a lot of people that I was speaking to was suddenly saying, oh, we're not interested to invest in Dubai anymore. Call us after a while. And I'm sure you probably face the same with a lot of your investors and clientele as well. So for those kind of people, did you feel they may have a different alternative source if not Dubai? Because Dubai is known for its yields, is known for its tax-free, it's known for its infrastructure. If not Dubai, where else do you think they would go?
How Dubai came suddenly very trending and prospective and highlighted in the last few years is because, like you said, obviously the safety and the comfort, but the main thing for investors has always been ROI.
Yeah.
And apart from capital appreciation, which is trending in every big city, very few cities in the world give you a good ROI.
Yeah.
Rental income, what you get in Dubai, is unparalleled to any other city in the world. So people were very sure that Dubai is and always will be a great source of creating rentals. But if we keep that as a factor, safety, appreciation and rentals, another popular place in India is Goa. And I think Goa is one of the great places for all non-residents to invest in. It's popular. You have the best bars, you have the best cafes, you have very good restaurant scene there. Night outs has always been popular.
And
the beaches are clean.
I mean, exactly.
Very clean beaches. The casinos are there. actually one of the biggest and hottest tourism marketing there. So people who are investing in Goa in the last 2 years are very happy with the returns they're getting.
And is that off plans in Goa or secondary? What do you think?
There are opportunities in both options. If you have ready liquid of about 5 crore rupees Indian, you can get a beautiful apartment or a small villa.
Okay.
And this can give you a very good return. You're talking about 8% to 10% rental income because they do short term, they do Airbnbs. It's very popular there.
Because people are also doing a little bit of a wait and pause right now. I think everybody, even though the ceasefire was just announced 3 days back, it's not, we're flooded with calls, definitely more to know what's going on, are those offers on the table, but people still are inquiring, is there another alternative and a what if?
Even without the crisis, we've been promoting Goa properties for a long time.
Yeah.
And we truly believe that this is one city in the world where you can get a good mix of capital appreciation.
Because you've got quite a few personal properties in Goa as well, and you've seen excellent returns.
So I can give you proof of concept that how we invested, what kind of returns we are experiencing, and what is the potential. So I'm very sure that I am investing a lot to diversify in Goa as well, and the same message is gone to my fellow investors, and they are very keen themselves. So Goa is one popular place, and also national capital region, Delhi, Gurgaon especially, is also been very, very popular. And for the last 3 years, it has got a lot of attention, especially with branded residency, whether it's the Trump Tower or a fashion brand like Elisa or Jacob & Co. So we have many more such buildings coming up in the future. And people want, especially non-residents, they want a class. They've experienced
People are more particular of what they put their money towards now.
Yes, they have experienced some great comforts living outside India. And when they want to go back, they want to enjoy the same quality of life.
Yeah.
And Gurgaon is being a global city, is getting a lot of attention. Similarly, Bangalore is also a very popular place to invest into apartments, just to diversify into Indian market. And we all know by 2030, India will be one of the biggest economy in the world. So you're investing into a popular city, places you know, language you know, food you know, and you know what to do with it. And I'm sure everyone has a family who can give them a comfort just to help them manage a property. If not, there are professional companies managing properties for them.
So Chetan, tell me another thing, because of this ongoing situation, a lot of people have chosen to temporarily leave as well. Do you think somewhere that has affected the rentals? Have they gone up or down or remain same?
Rentals is very important for investors, especially in Dubai, which is the best place to create rentals. A lot of people did go. You're looking at almost 600,000 people left UAE, and you'll be surprised, 80% of them are either have come back or in process of moving back. The other 20, I understand, might be thinking of relocating back to their place or somewhere else. They will be very soon be replaced with new sort of individuals who are seeking help. Like, I think one of the easiest people who would be moving in now whenever they can is rich Iranians. They have family in UAE. They have the money, they want the quality lifestyle, they struggled so much. And also Lebanese, again, Lebanese is full of a quality people, quality lifestyle. These two people have no option but to come to UAE. So these people will come and replace those who moved out. Dubai, the good thing about Dubai is, it's a mix of territory. From distance of 5 kilometers, you can see a complete different world. And it attracts all sort of people from working class, people from who's running a businesses, people who are HNIs, people who wants a good quality lifestyle.
Absolutely.
And Dubai is one of the best places to live in the world. It will always be. So I am pretty sure the rental market will not be affected. I do not see any increase in rental this year, but definitely not any decline as well.
Yeah, and for all these people who would be either coming in or who are still, planning to move into something else, any particular communities that you feel are benefiting more? Is it like villas or townhouses, or communities or areas that you feel will be performing a bit better than before?
This is the great time to invest into a popular community, top locations, Dubai is expanding in two ways.
Yeah.
One is towards Al Ain Road and the second one is south. This is the time to participate in prime locations. I'm talking about downtown Businessway, I'm talking about Dubai Hills, I'm talking about Palm Jumeirah. These kind of opportunities seldom come at a lower price.
Yeah.
This is a great blessing for people who have not bought anything in these locations.
Because these are also very high-end locations, plus affordability was always low in these areas
And
as
now
well,
you have
right?
some amazing deals.
Yeah.
You have amazing deals coming as low as 20% below market price. For whatever reason they are selling, it's an opportunity for you to invest in the locations. After COVID, this is a great opportunity.
Yeah. And also, just out of interest, I want to know, for people who, so many people, I believe, when we were talking and we knew about, this war had happened on that day, we were all in the middle of deals there were so many ongoing things in the pipeline that was happening. Now, any message for those people who left and have decided that they don't want to come back and start their property journey again, or who started somewhere but still need the confidence to come back into them?
Yeah.
What would you like to say to them?
So I would just say you are thinking in the right direction. Obviously, you had so much noise in the media.
Yeah.
80% of them were fake.
It's all amplified noise at the end of the day.
Yeah, anybody who has a doubt, they can do a research and they will know that 80% of the noise was wrong. Dubai still stand out as a great place to live. The kind of quality you can enjoy is unparalleled.
Yeah.
Like yourself, other people who are planning to come to Dubai will enjoy the same lifestyle, and it's addicting. So it's an opportunity for you to create rentals.
Yeah.
Keep investing. A lot of people confuse their investments with self-use.
Yeah.
I always say, till the time you exactly know where you want to live, do invest, create rental income. The best time for you to invest is now. After COVID, it's a blessing that people are entering into a low price.
Yeah.
And now in the future, we look at the construction cost, mobilization cost will increase a lot. That will lead to increase in prices. So as people think the prices will go down, I'm pretty sure they will see a spike in prices.
And also probably for people who are already renting right now, it's an excellent opportunity to make their own home and, get on the property ladder if they have a good liquidity and can snap off something in the market.
100%.
Yeah.
This is a great time to convert your rental liability into a portfolio of mortgage. There are some amazing properties right now which are ready to move in, mortgage friendly, and they are townhouses available at 2.5 million.
Which we've never heard
in
of.
In a Imar community.
Yeah, I know.
Ready. You have ready prime location apartments on Sheikh Zayed of government developer like Al Wasl, ready to move in at 2.5 million. This was the prices of 2021-22. They have a blessing and opportunity to invest now.
Yeah.
Definitely, they should sit down with their partner and make a decision.
Absolutely, absolutely. But Chetan, we're running out of time, but it was really, really nice to see you today.
Same.
And thanks for coming in, and we'll see you
Appreciate
again.
it. Always a pleasure, and looking forward for much more fruitful conversations.
Yes, definitely. Thanks everybody for taking out the time to view this today. And if you have any comments or questions, just leave them down below and we'd be happy to answer them.